When I came to FIDM a year ago, I had already heard about the Paris and study abroad, that they offered that. And then me and my friend were talking about it. I went with him to the meeting, and then I heard about the Paris trip, called my parents. We rushed to get everything put together, and 3 days later it was finalized.
We were all so different, so it was really cool to be with people that are different but so much alike, because we were going to school for similar things, but we all had our unique styles and personalities.
A few of us really have kept in touch, and it's incredible to be able to have somebody that you can always just turn to, and you share this one unique experience that nobody else is going to be able to understand. There were so many different parts of Paris that we got to explore, and so many different things that we were seeing.
I wanted to learn more about fashion and the city of Paris. I knew the best way to do that was with FIDM versus going on my own. I wouldn't have the same benefits as going with my school. They had everything planned and everything was in order.
Every day we had different appointments that FIDM set up for us, or we were touring a different tourist attraction in Paris. We had a French cooking lesson, which was really fun. We got to see the Louvre.
And we had a lot of free time to do the things we wanted to do as well, which is very important. It gave me inspiration and more drive.
You're not gonna get an experience anywhere else that's like this. It's very unique and it's very safe, which was most important to me, to be able to be introduced to Europe in a way that was safe and controlled around people that have my best interest at heart. It was just, you can't get that anywhere else.